Hello, everyone. This is Brother Maximo. I was asked to share some of my thoughts on the news, on what I see go on. I have been watching this channel, The Lost Begotten, since a few months after it started, and I've seen it all unfold in real time. I know some of the stuff Sean talks about, a little bit hard to digest at first, but he was right before all this shit even started. He told y'all, he told me, he warned us all, and look where we are now. So I figured my best comment for today would be to share a song that for me captures the insanity, or whatever you want to call it, that we are witnessing right now. I see you in so much pain. Can it stay this way? One day you're gonna burn out, and who's to blame? No one but yourself. You work all your life to make money, but money can't buy life. Just know that you're not cursed. Yes, you are blessed. Yes, you are blessed. Yes, you are blessed. And is it not funny that we work to make money, to buy milk and the honey? Aren't we a bunch of dummies? 'Cause nature provides more than you need. If you want to reap a fruit, well, you got to plant a seed. Got to let it breathe. Can you see my heart? My heart, it is beating, and can you not feel the pain that you are causing? And can you not see my heart, it is beating, and can you not feel the pain you cause? And now blood, 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 blood keeps rushing. Blood, 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 blood keeps rushing. Blood, 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 blood keeps rushing. And my heart, it beats with love.